So I'm going to show you how to install Screencastify, and it's pretty easy. So you just go ahead and Google Screencastify. It'll be the first thing that comes up, and then it'll say something that says Add to Chrome. And then from there, you basically just kind of follow the prompts. You'd hit Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. You kind of have to keep hitting yes and OK and allow, kind of all the way through. So mine, it looks like it kind of went up, maybe because I've had it before, but you may have to hit certain things that say allow. So when I click on it once, it'll tell me to sign in with Google. So what's great, you'll see is it's connected directly with your Google account. And then allow, next, allow, and then it might even be one more time it asks me. And then after you hit all that, then you're good to go and you're installed, and you can check to make sure you're good, because when you click on it now, it should look something like this, where it gives you a little drop-down menu. So if you're there, it means you are installed properly and you are good to go. Alright, so now you have Screencastify installed, so now it's a matter of just using it. And you're going to see it's pretty easy. So let me just kind of take you through the options, and then I'm also going to show you at the end of this video how you can share it directly to your Google Classroom. Alright, so whenever you want to record anything, whether it be a presentation or smartboard, notebook presentation, or website, or even just you talking, let me show you how to do it. So you go over here and you click on your little Screencastify icon, and it's going to give you some options. So if you just want to record just the screen in your voice, I'd recommend you do desktop and then microphone. And you just make sure that the microphone is working. You can see the little thing going up and down here. If you want to be in the lower right-hand corner, then you'd hit embedded webcam, and you have to select whatever camera you have on your computer, and then you'll be in the corner of the screen talking the whole time. Okay? If you just want to have it just you, that's where this would come in, just webcam only. It won't even be your screen, it'll literally just be you talking in case you want to just send them a message or directions. But for the most part, I would imagine you're going to want to do your desktop with either you in the corner or not in the corner. So we'll do it with me in the corner. And when you're ready to go, you just simply hit record. And it's going to give you another option here. You just kind of have to choose this where it says your entire screen and then hit share. It'll start counting down. And right now it's recording. So I'd say the heart is the size of a fist. Check this out, everybody. Did you realize that your heart is actually in the center of your chest, not towards the left like everyone thinks it is? Yada, yada, yada. And then when I'm done with my video, I would just go back up to here and I would hit stop. And as soon as you hit stop, it does everything for you. It kind of saves it all for you. Okay. And from there, you can just share it right to your classroom, which is great. If you want to trim it, you can see over here, you can trim the beginning and end if somehow you couldn't find the button at the end or whatever you want. But the easy thing to do would be share to classroom, or if you want to get a link and put that somewhere else. But when you share to classroom, it'll give you the option of how you want to share, what class you want to do it for, and so on and so forth. And you can do it as a question, as an assignment, and it pulls it all up here for you, and you can see it'll be attached to the video, or the video is attached right there to your assignment. And so just like normal, you type in the name of the assignment, your instructions, watch and think about, yada, 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 okay? And then you can assign it, and it'll go directly to your Google Classroom, which is really, really great. And then you are good to go. Your video is recorded and on Google Classroom in a matter of minutes. So with Screencastify and sharing, so what it should do is it should make sure that the folder is viewable by everyone, but what I'm realizing is that some people are reaching out because kids are having trouble accessing it, which is interesting. So the way to make sure that they can access it is to go into your drive and search for Screencastify, and you'll see there'll be a folder that it'll automatically make for you. And all your Screencastify videos will go in there. So the best way to do it is just to do this one time, is just to go to your Screencastify folder, click on the share, and just make sure that you change it to anyone with the link can view. Then any video you ever put in there should be viewable by anyone, and you don't ever have to worry about share settings again. So that's the best way to do it.